Now, this is a very interesting bull run. Bitcoin is now up 4% since beginning of the day and Ethereum is pretty much stagnant. This is interesting because the rally has been started by Ethereum. The last week, ETH went up by more than 50%. Bitcoin only went up by 22% roughly. But Bitcoin is now also breaking out of its sideways trading range. We've seen 2 sideways trading ranges, but not a lot of trading activity between 23K and 28K. So it wouldn't be too surprising to actually see a reversal over here. Now, this is the 1 hour chart. If we look at the daily chart and we look at the best moving averages historically, right? There are several backtests on this channel that try to find out what are the best moving averages for various assets. For Bitcoin, in red, we've got the best exponential moving average, and in blue is the best simple moving average. We are now crossing that moving average. If we stay at this level, if we don't fall anymore, and we close the day, then we do have something that historically was a pretty good indication of a turnaround. Now, we never go up in a straight line, right? Sometimes we turn around, we get our retracements. The retracements can still be massive, right? 10%, just a few days is very easily possible. But overall, this I think is very encouraging. Bitcoin is about to break out. Ethereum has already broken out of its best moving averages. And total 3, so cryptocurrencies market cap minus Bitcoins and minus Ethereums. Or in other words, the altcoin market cap, it also looks bullish. It's also above its best historical, simple and exponential moving average. Now let's look at Bitcoin relative to Ethereum because I find this fascinating. Bitcoin lost massively versus ETH recently, right? There was a lot of hype around the merge, but it looks like that rally can spill over to other assets as well. It is starting to spill over to Bitcoin. So maybe we can see again a Bitcoin outperformance. 28% would simply restore what we have seen maybe a month ago or so. The altcoins relative to Ethereum don't look as expensive anymore. The altcoins relative to Bitcoin are still somewhat elevated. So what do we do with all of this? Nobody can say for sure that we are turning around here and that Bitcoin will simply just 3x from here, right? But in the very grand scheme of things, given these recent market movements, if we simply zoom out, we look at Bitcoin over the very, very long term, this doesn't look like a particularly expensive price to me. This looks like a depressed price. If you are completely in cash because you are scared of the bear market, now might be the time to start getting into the market again. I personally, I'm pretty heavily invested. I'm ready for the next bull run to come. If we are hitting 30, 40, 50, 60K, I will not feel like I've missed the boat. This is probably the kind of thoughts that are important when allocating risk. Buy enough to feel comfortable with the gains that would happen with another bull run, but that would not make you feel uncomfortable in case we are not directly turning around. If you invest too little and if you're too much in cash, then you might just FOMO in afterwards. If you invest too much, then you might be panic selling in case we do see again the 15 or 14K. So finding the right balance here for your risk appetite is important. I personally think it's the right time to rather be risk on. I personally like what I see here. Please like the video in order to help the channel grow. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. There are videos here every single day. This is the Bitcoin Strategy Telegram group, and this is the premium membership, exclusive content every single day. You can reach me here directly. We've got a very nice community. Don't forget to check out thebitcoinstrategy.com. More information is in this video here. Hope to see you in that video, and thanks for watching this one. Bye-bye.